welcome back to Shedtune and Shedtune HQ. Don't worry about me. Don't worry. Make a bit more noise. Anyway, we're back in the workshop. We're working on all sorts of stuff, and
you haven't done anything yet.
You're right, and I've forgotten what I was going to say. Welcome back to Shedtune and Shedtune HQ. We're back in the workshop, and today Dom's going to shout out random things. I'm going to start building the Sprinter again and get the forks in, hopefully, maybe the centre stand and the engine in. And Dom has decided that he's going to make something.
Yeah.
Right, so thanks for sending stuff in, and we've just had some very nice t-shirts arrive from Pete from the Lambretta archive, and look how slim Dom looks in it.
And my boobs look big in this.
They always look big. Speed Freaks and Anoraks since 2002.
Quality. Cheers, Pete.
Thank you, Pete. Much appreciated. Right, so I'm going to be getting on with the frame. Obviously, as I said before, I've got to take the bottom cup out, and I've got a special tool with me to do that.
Welcome to my party. We're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring.
Special tool. What are you doing?
Me.
What's that?
This is my JB fabrication longboard.
Is it really?
Yes.
What is it?
Well,
or what's it going to be?
It's going to be the base for a frame stand. I saw a post on Facebook.
All right.
That unit strike, and it looked quite good, so we want a decent one that we can move around for that. So see if I can knock one up.
Okay.
With this.
With this and that. Okay. Well, watch this space. I'm sure it will only take Dom 3 episodes to make this, and we'll see how it goes. If you want any merchandise, go to our Etsy shop. Link is in the description below, and you can get lovely merchandise like I'm wearing. I brought the special tool for removing the top and bottom cup, a lump hammer, and a crowbar. And I'll tell you why a crowbar is because that fits exactly in there, and there's 2 points that you can whack to get it out. Technically, it's probably not the right tool to do it, but it works. But not like that. Wow. In case you wonder what that is, it's absolutely chucking it down outside. So I've just sent Dom to go and get something for me, so no doubt it'll be like a drowned rat. Right, okay, plan B, that ain't coming out at all, it's just solid. So we're going to clean up the bearing race, and then, well, we might have to reuse it, we'll see. Bit of heat. And a scraper, and you can literally scrape the powder coat off as a bearing race. There you go, look, comes off nicely to leave a nice shiny, good to go. Alright, we're back in a minute when it's perfect. Okay, so that's cleaned up very nicely, so we'll be able to reuse that and put new bearings in and grease it up. So we've just got to fit the top end, and then that'll be ready for the forks to go in. And in the meantime, Dom's getting on with the stand thing. The top one is this lovely bit here, and I've put some grease around there and in there, and we're going to use a special tool that we've made in-house to pull it in. And it's a threaded bar with some special cone-shaped washers that go in that bit. There's no doubt that's going to fall out any minute now at that end.
Something you wanted that chucking, did you?
Obviously you don't do it like that. Now it's covered in shit, I'll have to clean it. Hello. Right, so we're going to fit the top bracket, greased up, using our special massive long bar, and we'll wind it in. And that's all there is to it. I'm sweating my bollocks off. It took 2 of us to get the thing in. We've had to use the persuading method. If it wasn't for Dom being here, we'd have never got that bloody thing in. But it's in now. Frame stand update. That's coming along nicely already.
Well, it would have been.
Well, yes, if you hadn't to stop to help me with my pathetic effort of getting that in. Grease me up, buttercup. Right, we're going to grease the bearings up, top and bottom, and then put the forks in. Well, there you go. The forks are now in of some description, and it's starting to look a little bit like the sprint we hope it is. And in the background, Dom's obviously working on the stand so that we can put the bodywork on it and work out how that's all going to go. Shall I put the engine in? See what it looks like. Brum, brum. There you go, look. Just a rolling chassis, engines in. Obviously it's all got to come back out again so we can fit it in the frame stand that Dom's just built. But you get the idea, it's starting to look like something now. Did we show you the handlebars? So this is a lovely set of handlebars that's been made by John Betts. JB Fabrication. Shout out to John Betts, JB. Because obviously, if Dom had his bra on, he'd probably look better.
Expands the sign a bit more.
But they'll go on there like so. And then hopefully we'll have a top and a bottom headset to go with it. And everything will look pretty and work well. Ta-da! So there you go. Not bad for something that Dom knocked up in the last hour while I was faffing about. And the idea is that whilst the engine's out, we can have it on a trolley to fit the bodywork up and get the various bits and pieces together that we need, mainly to fit the bodywork to start with. But it's not bad going though, is it? Right, that's going to be it for this one. Thanks very, very much for watching. Don't forget, send more stickers in. We want more stickers for the sticker board and the cupboard.
Up a bit.
I know. We need more stuff to put on the sticker board. Anyway, don't forget, give it a like, a subscribe, put the bell on so you know what we're doing, and you can see us doing more stuff in the workshop or just generally messing about. Anyway, that's it from me. So it's bye from me.
See ya.